How to check your Barclays credit score. Now, if you're curious as to what your credit score is about, first of all, you have a legal right to check your credit score and credit history. And what's more is that it is actually free and it only takes a few steps. Now, where can you check your credit score, right? Because when it comes to credit scores, there are three main credit reference agencies, which is CRAs in the United Kingdom: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, formerly Callcredit. Each uses a slightly different scoring system, but don't let that scare you because they all base their scores on similar criteria. So if you have one credit score, you'll have a pretty good idea of how you rate with other credit reference agencies. And here's how to access your credit score. So basically, you can just go to the Experian official website by going to experian.com or .co.uk, and after that you just have to basically register for the free 30-day trial of Experian's credit expert service, and it's a bit more effort, but it's well worth the time. Your full credit report will provide specific details about how your score was determined, and it's also a good way to check for any errors that might be lurking on your credit report which could adversely affect your credit score. This way you'll be able to check your Barclays credit score. I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.